Good afternoon everyone. Our group today will discuss about electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum helps us how we can see light, hear in the radios, and also why there is an X-ray in our hospitals. Electromagnetic spectrum is a range of electromagnetic wave that depends on wavelength and frequency. In the bottom, the radio wave starts at 1 to 300 GHz. Next is the microwave and infrared where we can feel the heat now. In the middle is the visible light ranging from 430 to 770 terahertz, and it is the only visible light that we can see with our naked eye. Above this frequency are ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and gamma rays that can exceed up to X-hertz.
The electromagnetic spectrum is the range of all types of light waves, from the longest to the shortest. It includes radio waves for communication, microwaves for cooking, infrared for heat detection, visible light that we can see, ultraviolet rays for the sun, X-rays for the medical imaging, and gamma rays which have the most energy and come from space, and radioactive materials. Each type of wave has a unique use in science, technology, and our daily life.
First category is gamma rays. Yung frequency nito is 30 XHz, 300 XHz. And yung wavelength naman nito is 10 pentahertz to 1 pentahertz. So gamma rays is used in medicine for killing cancer cells. Next category is X-rays. It is used to view inside our body and objects. It is primarily for diagnosing and monitoring conditions like fractures, infections, and tumors. The third category is ultraviolet ray. It is used in industrial processes and in medical practices such as killing bacteria, creating fluorescent effects, curing inks and resins.
Next is the fourth category, which is the visible light. It is part of the electromagnetic spectrum that is visible to the human eye, which includes colors RGB, where violet is the shortest wavelength and red is the longest wavelength. We can see it in sunlight, LED, or bulbs, but too much exposure can lead to eye strain or retinal damage. Next is the infrared. It is electromagnetic waves with longer wavelength and it is used as a remote control in our TV, but excessive exposure can cause skin burns or heat stress. Next is microwaves. They lie between infrared and radio waves and are used in communication, cooking, medical, and military. Exposure to microwaves can cause tissue heating or heat stress. Next is the radio waves. It is the longest wavelength in electromagnetic waves. It is used mainly for communication such as radio and TV broadcasting. It is harmless, no power, but it can cause thermal effects in high-intensity radio waves.
Energy of proton is an amount of energy carried by a single particles of light, and it's directly proportional to its frequency. The energy of proton formula is energy of proton is equals to Planck constant multiplied by a frequency equals to Planck constant multiplied by a speed of light in a vacuum over lambda. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.